Hello, tutora and classmate. My name is Carolina Manotas Lerma. This is task to adopting a critical position toward bilingualism. Course Colombian education. Okay. My opinion about this position is that bilingualism in our country is important as math. In Colombia, the level of bilingualism in this case, English is very long and it is important to master second languages in school and in professional life. We are in a globalized time where citizens need to be competitive and participate in second languages. The process of learning a second languages has been very far away for Colombians, since they must have access to pay, of course, that for many are out of reach of people with generals and like in gaining these skills. In short, being bilingual opens doors to better jobs, to a different communication, to understand other countries of culture, to know the new cultures and improve the quality of life for everyone. For the question, speaking more than one second languages in our country has been a point of interest in school and university for many years, but a precise command of the languages has not yet been achieved. We know only one language is not enough for this interconnected world. Bilingualism of multilingualism programs are now in our country. More social and professional development is needed. Education in Colombia needs process that improve the bilingual position, and that is we need the educational policies. Intercultural relations are important and relevant for a more tolerant and understand society. Therefore, policies in our country should employ programs is favor of the knowledge and full master of a second language. Thank you so much.